guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be stuffing my sinking funds for this go round, and y'all, it is super early, so that's why I am like whispering. Yeah, it is like 4 o'clock. Whenever I go to bed like a little bit earlier, because I lay down with Aiden, yeah, I get up like super early, so earlier than what I normally do. So that's exactly what we're going to be stuffing for today. So the amount that we're going to be stuffing, I just pretty much wrote it in my little rocket book, and this is what we're going to be actually stuffing today. So I'm just going to stick that there, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the cash out of here, and we should have 307. So I'm actually going to take and open up my cash tray. All right, so we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 301, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we got $307. Yeah, everybody is asleep and I am up. I tried to go back to sleep, but I could not go back to sleep. So I was like, I got stuff I gotta do. So that's why I'm up right now recording a video. All right. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to stuff. No, the first thing that I'm gonna do is grab my trackers real quick. And I still have not put these on my website, guys. I am super sorry, but I have not done that yet. All right, so the first one we have is giving. And I did take out, remember my other cash stuff, and I took out $40. So that was on, oops, I didn't mess that up. So that was on 7, 5, and then this was moved to cash wallet, and that was $40 that we took out. So we got 120 minus 40, and we got $80. So we should have $80 inside of here. So let's check real quick. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we got $80. So we're going to add $10 to giving. Okay, so we got 7, 19, add cash. And so we got $10, so we should have $90. We don't need to count that in because we just counted 80. All right, so I'm going to just move that over here. Okay, next we have Tina. So Tina, we are going to be adding $20. So we're going to do one $20 bill. All right. So we have 200, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. So we got 360. So we add in, all right, so 360. Did I put the, yeah, I put the 19 back to make sure I put the right date. All right, so that's what we have in there. And y'all remember I said I wanted to get me some Hey Dude, so I think I might just go ahead and hop into it and go ahead and do it. All right, so next we have Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, I have 2 trackers. I'm not sure why I have 2 trackers, but today we're going to do $10. So we're going to do one $10 bill. So we got 10, 20, 30 for Amazon. Yeah, I have like 2 trackers. I think this was the one I was using, and then I made those. So 7, 19. As you can see, I haven't been adding to my sinking funds as much. I need to do better with it. So we set 30. So that's what I need to do for that. Do a little bit better. So that's like my goal going in for August, is to be able to stuff more. And I mean, if I can't, I can't, but I'm trying to do, I can do a little bit better. than what I'm actually doing. All right, so next we have property taxes. So, and this is out of whack. Property taxes is here, there, and I'll get this close up so you guys can see exactly how these look. And I do have it on the back. These are actually laminated. I know you guys have been asking me if I'm going to put these in my shop. Like I said before, I just haven't had time. So we have, this is for our property tax, so we already paid 1/2. You never own anything, because even if you pay your car off, we're going to do $20 for property taxes. You still have to pay property taxes, but that's just the way life goes. So we got $7.19, add cash. So we're going to add 20, so that'll make us have $30. And I'm going to use pink this time for my tracker. I may have to let this dry. This is a lot more, oh, wait a minute. I guess it's dry quick. So, yeah. All right, so that 20, 30, 35, 40. So we got $40 for that one. Oh, I'm putting it in the old envelope. What is it? Oh, look. This is supposed to be 40. And I put 30. All right. Okay, so next we have home stuff. And home stuff, we are going to add, we're going to do $50. So we're going to do one $50 bill. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. And that is right. I don't know. I just like when it just adds up on my trackers, which is awesome. So we said 50. So this will be $95. Right, so that'll go there. And then here, I don't think there's anything from home that we need to get. See, a lot of the sinking funds, I think I'm pretty much don't need too much. All right, so family time, we need to do $15. So we're gonna do 110 and 15. So that'll give us 20, 30, 35, 40. So that's $40. Oop. This is not family time. I was like, why is that such a bigger amount? So 7.19. These are like super out of order. All right, so add cash. And we did $15. So that made us have $40. 20, 30, 35, 40. Yep, $40. So I'll make sure. Okay, so that one goes here. Okay, so next we have birthdays. I was hopping ahead of time to this one. All right, so for birthdays, we're gonna add $20. So I'm gonna do 120. Yeah, let's do that. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, which is, I'm gonna see if I can make this a 0. Okay, all right, so 7.19. So we're gonna add cash. All right, so that'll go there. Let me put that down for a second for write on everything I don't need to write on. All right, so birthdays. I don't think we have anything planned for any birthdays, but like I said, we want to do Aiden a birthday party. So, and that's not till the end of the year. So if you want to like throw your kids like a birthday party, like having a sinking funds would be like awesome to do. So that way you can save during the year or the time you need before their birthday comes. All right, so utilities, we're gonna add $25. And this is also a fund that I use to get like a month ahead, or if just say like if the light bill is way more, because we all know that the electricity bill can get a little bit high. So if it's higher than what I had in my budget for that month, I can just pull from this. Or if the water bill is the same thing. So we're doing $25. Okay, so we're gonna do 20 and 5. So that's why I went ahead and did that, because sometimes the electric bill can be super sky high. So we got 100, 200, 350, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 405. All right, so we got 405. Let me make sure. Yep, that's right. All right, haven't done too bad keeping my trackers. Not too bad, right? Okay, so next is car needs, and this is also with like car registration, decals. So I do need to take cash out of my car needs. So let me go ahead and add cash. So we're gonna do $40. So that'll be $585. So we're gonna do a 20 and 2 10s, but I ended up needing let's see. All right, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85. Okay, so I'm just gonna, so that way I don't have to, because this is in my alley savings, I don't have to go and take anything out of there. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the cash out of here, because we did decals, and instead of doing for 1 year, I did 2 years. So that was $58. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever done it with 2 years, and I think I got like $2 off, and I did $1. Yeah, I did $1 off for doing it online. All right, so we got 719. So this is for car decals registration. So we're going to take $60, so that'll be $525. All right, so 20, 40, 60. So 60 will go back to the bank for that. All right, so we are pretty much, I almost forgot about paying myself back for the car needs. I need to start like putting like, oh, these don't go in here. I need to start doing like stickies, I guess you want to call it. All right, so we are pretty much done with that. All right, so next we're going to add to my spending wallet to the side. So we're gonna do, we don't need boba, we don't need beauty. Yes, we do, beauty. All right, so I have got to go get my nails done. As you can see, I chipped it. I just have to find a day that I can do it a little bit longer, because I'm gonna get all of this, the gel soaked off of my nails, and then I'm just gonna put the gel overlay back over it, so like do like a fresh set. So and I can't do it myself, or if I do it myself, my real nail is gonna break underneath. So I just gotta go there and sit and just wait. So beauty, we're gonna do 35, so we're gonna do 120, and we're gonna do 3 5s. And y'all see me pick this 10 up. Y'all know. 1, 2, 3. I know, I was not supposed to pick that 10 up. Alright, so yeah, so I'm gonna take me like a book, my planner, because that's gonna be a long day. Alright, so we got 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I'm not sure, and I'm gonna 40. Yeah, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for me to soak my nails off, because I've never done that, but it's about time for me to, and this is upside down, about time for me to do that. I want to soak it off and just get a fresh overlay. All right, so next we're going to do gas. So because it's almost time for me to do my next bi-weekly stuffing, and I just used $50 actually yesterday to add to my gas, so I'm just gonna do 20. I've kind of been like just doing this as for my gas rollover, because I used to take the money out, but since gas has gotten like super high, I've just been keeping what's in there. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. So I was able to do $50, and $50 did fill up my tank. I remember when $30 filled up my tank, or 35. Yeah. All right, so I think I might stop and grab my coworker's coffee today because I was kind of doing it on the slick tip. I'm like, hey, what kind of coffee do you drink? We always go to the Joe Bean's Coffee Shack. All right, so this right here is extra cash. So this will go, I need to deposit this back in the bank for paying for the car decals registration. So that goes back in. And I need to do my rewards for Fetch. Here is the code for Fetch if you have not already signed up. That way you can scan your receipts to get points to redeem for rewards. And you can also do Visa cards too, because I've done that a couple times. All right, so next we're going to do Aiden. So I'm going to grab Aiden's binder. All right, so Aiden, we are going to put 25 in Aiden's savings. And this boy has, his full savings is growing. So we're going to do a 20 and a 5. Not a 20 and a 5. So we're going to do 2 20s and a 5. Yes, 2 20s and a 5. I'm tripping. I was about to say a 20 and a 5. I don't have any 20s. Okay, so 5. All right, so this boy has got a lot of cash in his envelope. All right, so let's go ahead and count it. So we got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, so we got $3,235. You go, Aiden. All right. So I just want to, you know, we can always like break the cycle, because I know, I mean, not saying anything bad, but like when I grew up, I didn't have that. So I just want to make sure that I have something, you know, saved for him so he can have like just like a little bit of a start, just a little bit, you know. Okay, so for clothes, we are going to add $7 to his binder. And y'all, Halloween is coming up, so thinking about clothes, I mean, I know that's not clothes he can wear every day, but I'm going to get him a Thomas the Train. I know y'all know he loves Thomas the Train. Thomas the Train costume, and I think they have it at Party City. So I need to go ahead and order it probably about now, because I'm sure he's not going to grow 2 sizes by time October. But I really do need to get it, because last time I waited till the last minute, and the Thomas the Train outfit was sold out. He wanted to be Thomas the Train. All right, so we got 20, 25, 30. Oop. All right, so we got 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 for 1, for 2, for 3. All right, so we got $43 in this one. All right, so that's what we're adding to that. And y'all, we got some 2s left, and y'all know where the 2s go. All right, so all my 2s go in here. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I just basically save 2s in there. All right, so y'all, we are pretty much done with our cash envelope stuffing. For our sinking funds, thank you guys so much for chilling with me. I hope you did enjoy this video. And then also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. It's called APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok. And then also, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The shadows like all in there. Yeah, please give it a thumbs up, and then like, share, comment, and then like I always say, until next time guys, peace.